Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I do DIYs, hauls, and cleaning videos. If that's something that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started with the video. So I first began in my master bedroom, dusting and cleaning off all things around my chest and my dresser. Boy, it is amazing to me how much dust accumulates in this bedroom. Now let's get started changing these sheets. So typically once a week I change my sheets. So in a few here you will see me placing my duvet covers back on the bed. I love this duvet. It's a quick and easy way of changing your bedspread or covers without replacing them. So here's a tip. I tend to have a bag already stored in the trash can before replacing it so I don't have to get another bag. So this is my husband's side of the bed. I end up cleaning up a lot more things on his side of the bed. He's a maximalist when it comes to this, and I'm a minimalist. I don't have as much to clean. Be sure to give me a like because it really helps my channel. Now on to the bathroom. So I am using my e-cloth here to clean off the mirror as well as the top part of the sink. And now I am using my Mrs. Meyer's spray to clean off the toilet. Normally I like to have disposable paper towels to use to clean off the toilet. Eventually here you will see that I will begin using the toilet bowl cleaner that I purchased from Dollar Tree to clean out the toilet. Usually when I am cleaning the toilet, I usually like to clean the inside as well as the outside, bottom and top of the toilet. Now I'm taking down all the tiles to prepare them to get washed. So these little flowers that you see here, I opted to get these from Walmart instead of having a bath mat, which I used to have. I prefer to have those. They're a lot more easier to clean. I usually just place them into the washing machine with other things that I get to wash that particular day. And they just seem to work out much better with our family. Okay, so this floor here was a DIY project which I ended up doing last summer. I will link the video in the description box below. This floor has really held up well. All done, on to the next room. So it's time for me to wash my towels, and normally when I wash my towels, of course I use my soap, but in addition to, I put in the baking soda as well as some vinegar instead of using hot water to sanitize my towels. So as I have mentioned in previous videos before, in our household we take turns cleaning the kitchen, and of course, as you can see, it's my day. And here I am using my method degreaser here. I love using this degreaser. It works wonders for my stove. And I love using my Mrs. Meyer's baking soda scrubbing cleanser as well as my scrubbing brush, which I purchased from Grow Collaborative. Well, I thank you guys for joining me today. I hope that you all have been inspired to do some cleaning around your house. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.